Turning $100 into $1,000 using AI investing tools is possible, but it's not magic. It requires patience, consistency, and realistic expectations. This isn't a scheme to 10x your money overnight. Instead, it's a strategic approach that uses AI-powered tools to make smarter decisions and maximize returns, even if you're starting with just a small amount. In this guide, I'll show you practical step-by-step methods for complete beginners, including how to choose the right platforms, build a portfolio, and leverage AI insights to steadily grow your investment. Setting realistic expectations. Turning $100 into $1,000 means achieving a 900% return. That's substantial growth, and it won't happen in a few weeks or even months using traditional investing. For instance, investing $100 with a 10% annual return would take about 24 years to reach $1,000. Compound growth works, but it's slow. AI-powered strategies can accelerate this timeline to between 3 and 7 years, depending on your approach, the market, and contributions. Achieving this goal requires earning above-average returns with AI-guided stock selection, making regular additional contributions beyond your initial $100, and reinvesting profits to maximize growth. AI doesn't make your money multiply instantly, but it helps you make smarter decisions, avoid mistakes, and spot opportunities you would likely miss. With patience and discipline, turning $100 into $1,000 becomes a realistic goal rather than a fantasy. Choosing the right AI platform. When starting with only $100, platform choice is critical because fees can destroy small accounts. Paying a $10 monthly subscription, for example, is 10% of your starting capital and makes growth very difficult. The best platforms for beginners are those that allow fractional shares, offer commission-free trading, and provide AI-powered insights or research tools. Robinhood lets you invest in fractional shares and provides AI-based stock suggestions. Public.com adds a social layer so you can see what other investors are doing, while Webull gives free AI research tools and technical analysis features. M1 Finance combines automated portfolio management with customization, rebalancing your investments automatically to match your goals. Beyond trading platforms, free AI tools can significantly enhance your strategy. ChatGPT can explain company fundamentals, provide research summaries, and help you understand market trends. TipRanks aggregates analyst ratings and uses AI to identify which analysts are most accurate, helping you find stocks with strong support. Choosing the right platform and combining it with AI tools ensures your limited capital is used efficiently and positions you for steady growth. The AI-powered growth strategy. To grow $100 into $1,000, diversification is the first step. Avoid putting all your money into one stock. Using fractional shares, divide your $100 across 4 or 5 investments, such as a growth-focused ETF, a large tech company, an AI-related stock, and a dividend-paying company. AI can suggest allocations based on your timeline and risk tolerance, allowing you to make informed decisions even as a beginner. Next, regular contributions are essential. Your initial $100 alone will take years to reach $1,000 without extreme risk. Adding $50 or $100 each month accelerates growth dramatically. Small, consistent contributions compounded over time often outweigh the size of your starting deposit. Automation is key. Setting up automatic transfers ensures you stick to the plan without needing to remember each month. Each time you add money, use AI to identify the best opportunities. AI can analyze sectors showing strength, highlight stocks with solid fundamentals, and filter thousands of options down to a manageable list of high-potential investments. Always research recommended stocks further and consider the risks involved before buying. Finally, reinvesting all profits is crucial. Dividends and gains should be used to buy additional shares immediately. Compounding turns even small gains into meaningful growth over time. That first $5 dividend may seem insignificant, but reinvested, it contributes to exponential growth that will help your $100 reach $1,000 faster. Accelerating growth with AI insights. AI can help identify opportunities that go beyond basic investing. By scanning news, social media, and financial reports, AI detects emerging trends before they become mainstream. For example, early mentions of AI infrastructure in 2023 indicated potential in semiconductor and cloud computing stocks before major price increases. During earnings season, AI can analyze quarterly reports instantly, highlighting whether companies beat expectations and what the market reaction might be. Technical analysis is another area where AI shines, identifying patterns, momentum, and potential uptrends that can guide timely decisions. AI also supports risk management by providing objective analysis on underperforming investments, helping you decide whether to hold, sell, or adjust your position. Using AI insights in these ways helps accelerate growth while keeping your investments smarter and more informed. Mapping out realistic timelines. Your timeline depends heavily on contributions and returns. In a conservative scenario, starting with $100 and adding $25 per month while achieving 10% annual returns could reach $1,000 in roughly 3 years. If monthly additions are only $10, it might take closer to 5.5 years. In a moderate scenario, adding $50 monthly with 15% annual returns shortens the timeline to about 16 months, and $100 per month could reach $1,000 in just 9 months. Aggressive strategies, involving higher-risk growth opportunities and 25% annual returns, can reach $1,000 in under a year with $100 monthly contributions, though volatility and temporary declines are expected. Without additional contributions, reaching $1,000 relies entirely on exceptional returns and patience, taking 10 to 16 years at 15–25% annual returns. This shows how even modest monthly contributions dramatically accelerate growth and make achieving $1,000 more feasible for beginners. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners make predictable mistakes that hinder progress. Chasing meme stocks or trending hype is a common trap. Popularity doesn't equal solid fundamentals. Overtrading is another issue, as frequent buying and selling can incur fees and erode gains. Failing to diversify is risky. Putting all your money into one stock exposes your limited capital to unnecessary loss. Early growth may feel slow, but focusing on percentage returns instead of dollar amounts helps maintain perspective. Withdrawing profits prematurely also undermines compounding, so avoid touching your account until your goal is reached. Recognizing and avoiding these mistakes keeps your growth consistent and builds strong investing habits. Key principles for AI investing. Success. Success comes from starting early, staying consistent, and leveraging AI tools to make informed decisions. Regular contributions often matter more than a large initial deposit. Reinvesting gains and staying disciplined during market fluctuations allows compounding to work its magic. Patience is essential. Market dips are normal, and emotional reactions can harm long-term growth. By following these principles, your $100 can steadily grow toward $1,000 while you gain experience and confidence in investing. Next steps and final advice. To start, pick a low-fee AI-friendly platform like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Webull. Set up automated monthly contributions and build a diversified $100 starter portfolio using fractional shares. Use AI tools for stock selection, trend spotting, and risk management, and reinvest all profits to maximize growth. Even modest contributions of $25, $100 per month combined with AI guidance can help reach $1,000 in 1 to 3 years. Begin today, stay consistent, and let AI help guide your decisions. Subscribe for weekly AI investing strategies and tutorials, and comment with your starting amount and timeline so we can grow wealth together using AI.